Thermal signatures look consistent across the entire component.
Confirmed. No delamination detected.
A specialized borescope camera attached to a flexible robotic manipulator is carefully inserted.
Check the tolerances on that edge trim.
Looks good from here. Sensor reading is optimal.
A series of high-pressure cleaning jets spray a non-corrosive solvent onto the flat, jet black composite panels.
The homogenized RAM coating is autonomously transferred into the pressurized chamber. A robotic platform
To ensure stealth capability, the robotic arm must navigate the complex intake geometry, applying the crucial RAM coating.
The borescope view shows the precise application of the viscous RAM coating, transforming the matte black surface into a low observable finish.
The viscosity parameters are holding steady.
confirmed. The flow rate adjustment is flawless.
The entire interior surface is now uniformly covered in the low-observable dark gray RAM coating.
Pressure levels steady at 400 psi, approaching target range.
Thermal curve matches the required profile. Maintain current settings for the next phase.
Here we see the final surface cleaning of the F-22 Raptor intake duct. The jet black composite is meticulously prepared for the subsequent priming process. Calibration complete on all sensors. Process A is clear.
Confirmed. Ready for handover.
Ready for the next panel. Watch the alignment on the left side.
Got it. Pressure looks stable.
As the newly coated panels enter the curing oven, controlled temperature profiles initiate the thermal cross-linking of the RAM. The automated stand positions the panel as the chamber's sensors emit a wide spectrum sweep, confirming the stealth material's absorption performance.
The RAM access panel, now certified stealth ready, moves to a final assembly station, where a precise robotic drill prepares
Right there, easy now. Copy that, secure for transport.
Watch the clearance on the wing.
Got it, Senior. Slow and steady.
The technician carefully removes the low-observable dark gray RAM access panel from its protective clamshell packaging.
The precise installation of the RAM Process B panel is critical for the F-22's low observable signature.
Scan complete. Readings are stable across the panel.
Confirmed. Stealth parameters are nominal. Great work.
Looks completely flush.
To access the intake components, first release the latch on the Process B panel. It removes smoothly, revealing the
The specialized coating repels moisture effectively, demonstrating its environmental durability and resistance to harsh weather conditions.
The low observable material of the intake duct minimizes reflection, a testament to its stealth capability.
Scan complete. The material integrity is confirmed. These panels are good for another decade of service.